Are you over 40 and feeling like you've got a niche down to make YouTube work? Well, what if what makes you stand out is actually everything that you've lived through? Well, in this video, I'm going to share how your story, yes, your actual life is your personal brand and is more than enough to grow a thriving YouTube channel. And you can do it in just a couple of hours a week. And there's one moment in my journey that completely changed how I saw this. So let me ask you, have you ever felt like you've got to squeeze yourself into someone else's idea of a successful YouTube channel? After more than a decade of mentoring creators and running my agency, here's what I know. The ones who build something sustainable, they don't copy trends. They show up as their full, unfiltered, authentic selves. Because the gold isn't out there in some niche that you have to find, it's actually inside you. Your perspective, your stories, the lived wisdom that you already carry. I remember sitting at my old kitchen table. A laptop was open, studying all these how to grow fast on YouTube videos. And I was jotting down these notes furiously. And I was thinking, all right, you just got to copy what they're doing. Surely I'll see the results. My heart was buzzing with excitement, but also a bit of doubt. I couldn't quite shake the ooh. You see, after posting weeks of videos that felt like someone else's script, I finally looked up from my screen and just said out loud, this just isn't me. And that's when I realized if I was going to build something real, I had to do it my own way. And that's exactly why I've created the Heartbrand Insider Newsletter. It's where you get everything first, fresh insights, new tools, and behind the scenes lessons. Plus, if you join today, you're going to unlock 3 powerful resources to help you start strong. And the gifts from me that I wish I had when I started. It's completely free. The link's below. Grab your spot before the next edition goes out. Because what happened next changed everything. And that's the reason I'm sharing all of this with you today, including the Heartbrand Insider Newsletter. Now, let me just open this light bulb for you. YouTube's algorithm doesn't watch your videos. Humans do. So when you show up like you're having a real conversation with someone, no pitching, no performing, that's when connection happens. So speak to people, not the platform. And if this is resonating with you, please share your thoughts in the comments below. I'd also be grateful if you smash the like button and subscribe, because this gets this message out to more and more people. So how do you know what to say? Well, let's unpack that next, shall we? Now, firstly, stop reverse engineering all these mega YouTube channels. Instead, tune into those smaller creators who are gaining traction. You see, they're closer to your stage and their strategies are way more transferable. Find 5 channels that you like and do some research, their packaging, their hooks, their setup, etc. You see, that's when things started to click for me, when I stopped looking up and started looking across. But how do we get people to watch our videos in the first place, I hear you ask? Well, that's where the most important step comes in. But most new creators don't even give it the attention it needs. And that, my friends, is packaging. Forget flashy, go for meaning. Keep your face in the frame, expression matters. Simple colored background, a few words that create curiosity, not confusion. And if it makes someone pause mid-scroll, your job is done. There's actually an untold rule of 3. Clear text to the left, because we read left to right. A picture of you on the right hand side, because you're building a personal brand after all, and an image or color to emphasize or create an emotional connection to the words you've used in your title. So create titles and thumbnails that spark curiosity. So is that it, I hear you say? Well, now you need to make the YouTube video, don't you? But you don't need cinematic gear or editing wizardry. You just need to be you. Remember, you are building a personal brand that people will trust, so that requires your face. A clear voice. Sit in a quiet room like this and just use a simple lav mic, maybe from Amazon or something like that. Next is an honest presence. Speak from your heart about what you know and tell a story. And it will simply flow. Let your quirks in, let people see who you are. Because real beats perfect every time. If you're ready to grow your YouTube channel in a heart-centered and human-first way, not chasing trends, but building something real, there's a whole community waiting for you. When you join the Heartbrand Insider Newsletter, you'll also unlock a special invite to the Heartbrand Creators Circle. It's a free space where solopreneurs over 40 are growing, connecting, and building their legacies together. Plus, you'll get access to a library of free resources to help you grow faster with heart. You'll find the link below, and I would love to welcome you inside. Now, remember earlier when I said your story is the most powerful asset? It's not the only part of the magic. There's something else that makes content truly land, and that's something you will find out in this next video here. So if you're ready to unlock that layer where truth becomes the bridge, well, this here could be the shift that changes everything for you. Take care, much love, Big Daddy out.